Hey there, today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox. And I'm actually pretty excited for this box because I did peek and I noticed I have my old stylist Holly back. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that years ago when I first started Stitch Fix, I had the most wonderful stylist Holly, and I felt like I got the best fixes and she really got my style or helped make my style, honestly. But after doing a 2-year break from Stitch Fix, I was having the hardest time getting Holly back. At first I thought she wasn't still with the company, but later I found out that she was, and I kept requesting her, but I just didn't get her. But yay, finally I've got Holly back, so I am really excited for this fix. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Yeah, I actually can't believe I got Holly. I wasn't gonna peek, but I did. I can't help myself. Okay, so here is a peek at my box. And you have a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. There is an invoice and also a note from my stylist. And yay, I got Holly, and it's Holly B, in case any of you want to request her. She is terrific. And this time I got 5 things. On my preview, I only selected 4, and if you don't select at least 5, your stylist, and in this case it was Holly, will select an additional item to fill out your 5 items. And when you get your preview, you can actually select up to 8 items, but yeah, in this case I only selected 4. So anyway, here is a peek at my bundle. And I had mentioned when I requested my fix this time that I am going on a trip, and that's going to be next month. I'm going to go on a cruise. It's actually a river cruise in Europe, and it's starting off in Budapest and ending up in Prague, I believe. So yeah, should be exciting. And I requested some clothes that I could take up on my trip. So yeah, I've been doing Stitch Fix for, I would say, over 10 years now. And the best part about Stitch Fix to me is having a good stylist like Holly. And that's why I was really torn about continuing with Stitch Fix after my break when I was continuing to get different people. But it's just a better feeling now because I have Holly back. All right, so yeah, I got 5 items and let's go over what I got. Okay, so first off, I got this top, and this is really cute, I have to say. And this is by Britton, and it's the coastal knit tank top, size small petite, and this is a Stitch Fix exclusive, and this is $39. So yeah, I think this is actually really cute. It's a little different. I love striped tops, as you can tell. This is navy. It has like this side detail, and yeah, I think this is just perfect for a trip. Okay, next. Oh, this is the item that Holly selected. And it's another cute top. And this is by Rainn, which is a brand that I get a lot from Stitch Fix, and I do really like this brand. It's a little expensive. It's small petite. It's the short sleeve eyelet split neck knit top, and this is $65. And this is a really cute eyelet top. And according to Holly, Eyelet is in right now. Okay, next. I got these pants. Yeah, and these are Gauze pants. And this is by Flag and Anthem. And it's the Lodi Gauze wide leg pant in black, size small, and it's $59.50. So yeah, I think these could really work. I love these kind of pull-on pants, and they'd be perfect for travel, honestly. Okay, next. Oh, I got this Skort. Looks a little short, but we'll see. And this is the WeFlex split Skort in black, size small, and it was $49. So $49. I think this is really cute. It's just a very basic Skort. You'll see it has, yeah, the shorts underneath. It's more like an athletic material. It's really soft. So yeah, so we'll see. Okay, and lastly, okay, I got these What are these? Look like joggers, and they're white. And this is the Boom Boom Jeans Vancouver Twill Jogger in white, size 4, and it's $49. It does say it's cropped with a mid-rise, and although it does say 4, on the tag I noticed it says size 5, so this could be a junior brand. It is white. I'm kind of worried about the if it's a little sheer. But yeah, these are really cute. I think these could be really nice. So I really do like everything so far, and let's just try them on and see how they look. I'm hopeful. Okay, so here are the Flag and Anthem Gauze wide leg pants. And you know, I think these fit nicely. I think the length is okay. I have them on with these 1-inch block sandals. So you could probably also just wear them with sneakers and I think it would look okay. I just have it paired with the top I was wearing. I think it looks okay. The finish on these, I didn't notice it when I pulled it out. It's kind of like a raw edge finish all along the pockets and over here and also here. So that's interesting. I guess it's just a more casual look. And I think this would actually work really well with my trip going on a cruise. I could picture myself just walking around the ship or going on land tours or whatever, excursions, in some pants like this, because these are really comfortable. Right now I'm all about comfort. So yeah, I think these are kind of a win. And let's try to style it somehow. Okay, and I just added a purse actually. So I got this from the Coach store and I got it for Mother's Day. So I'll just show you this also. It's actually really pretty. And it comes with this chain and this adjustable strap. You can make it into a crossbody, and it also turns into a, like just a shoulder bag too. Okay. Yeah, so you can also wear it like this as a shoulder bag. I'd probably use it more crossbody. But yeah, I think these pants are kind of cute and definitely something I'm considering keeping. Okay, so here is that Skort. And it is a little short on me, but not terrible. And it is a Skort, so you know it has the bike shorts underneath. The only thing I don't care for is it doesn't have pockets. But I could say this is a very cool, comfortable Skort. I can see myself, I guess, walking around, you know, the cruise ship and maybe even excursions. We'll see. But yeah, I think that looks cute. And I have it again with the same top. It seems to match because it is a black Skort and this is a black and white striped top. So let's try to style it. I just went to Ross the other day. I didn't buy enough stuff for a haul, but I did pick up this shirt, which I thought might be nice also to bring on my trip. I think it's something you could just throw over things. So yeah, let's style this. So this is just a Michael Kors zippered top. And let's add that bag I got from my 2 daughters. Okay. So here you go. Let's see. I think that looks kind of cute, right? It's pretty, I would say, sporty. So yeah, definitely a possibility. So not bad, number 2. Okay, so here is that striped sleeveless top with the Boom Boom joggers. And yeah, I think this is cute. I really do like these joggers actually. They're kind of stretchy, so they're comfortable. And they fit right about just below the belly button. So they're not like they're not low rise. I was worried because it said mid rise, and sometimes mid rise is not the most flattering for me. Yeah, but I like these, and I don't think they're, I mean, a little sheer, but I think if you wear like beige underwear, you'll be okay. So yeah, I think this is cute, and I think it looks nice together. I didn't do a front tuck just because this has this band here, so I thought, maybe I should just leave it out. But let me know what you think. I mean, if it looks better front tuck, I mean, you could just see what that looks like. But yeah, Okay, let's add a denim jacket. So yeah, I think this outfit is nice and definitely something I could wear on my trip. Okay, and here is the last top by Rainn. Yeah, I think this is nice. Yeah, it's the Eyelet, and it's really pretty. I love this color, and I like the proportions of this. It fits just right. It falls right below the waist, so you don't have to tuck it in, and the sleeves aren't crazy wide or anything. It's just basic. So yeah, I like this. Small petite fits perfect. Okay. Oh, and I don't know where my animals went. Usually, like, you see Cleo running around, but I think she's tired because she went for a walk and then we had a training session. I'm trying this Good Pup app where you have one-on-one virtual training. We got like a free trial since I adopted her from the Humane Society. They had like a flyer, so I thought, I'll try it for free. But anyway, yeah, getting back to the clothes, yes, I'm very happy. I'm so glad I got Holly back. Thank you, Holly. Okay, so I thought this was a really good fix. Honestly, I mean, everything pretty much fit. I mean, it's amazing how much better this fix fit than my last one, because that one I had some fit problems and I was kind of surprised. But yeah, I think everything fit. And actually this Skort, even though it's kind of short, I'm wondering if I could use this maybe as like a swim short, a Skort, because you know there's gonna be a jacuzzi on that ship, so maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Or I could just wear it. But anyway, let's go over the invoice. Okay, so there were 5 items and the total without the discount was $261.50. If I were to buy all 5, I would get 25% off, which would be $65.38 off, and would bring my order subtotal down to $196.12. And yeah, that's under $200 for 5 items. I think that's not bad. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought of the clothes, and I just want to shout out to Holly and say thank you so much for styling me, and I am so glad that we finally got to reconnect, and I'm hopeful that now that I've got you back that I'll continue to get you as my stylist, because yeah, I requested you every single time, I promise. But anyway, now it's time to say goodbye, and I'm going to call one of my cute furry companions, and I have Kaya here who's taking a nap. Cleo is out in the hallway. There's a crate there and she's sleeping in there. She just likes to go in there when she's tired, and she must be really tired. So yeah, let's get Miss Kaya. And here is Miss Kaya. Yeah, she's so sweet. And this morning we had our first virtual dog training session through this Good Pup app. And I had Kaya up in the bedroom with my husband. I didn't want her to come down just because I thought it might interfere with the training. But you know, she was so sad. I could hear her barking in the background. She really wanted to come down. She didn't want to be left out. So I let her come down, and she was fine, right? Yeah, she doesn't want to be left out for sure. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.